Welcome back to this video. Before you start using your Brave browser, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see the proper setting for secure browsing experience. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you're very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. With that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Brave browser. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my Brave browser. So this particular website right here is what I just opened in my Brave browser. Now for me to secure this website, what we need to do is to make sure we click on the Brave icon, logo from the top. So click on that, it's drop down this way, then go to advanced control, click on here. And the next thing you need to do is to go to upgrade connection to HTTPS. Click on that. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on require all connection to use HTTPS restrict. It's that simple. With that, your connection and browse experience is going to be fully secure in Brave browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.